Welcome to Quizzing Hour. Let's see how well do you know Ramayan. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's go. Who is the author of Ramayan? Valmiki. What is the name of Lord Ram's wife? Sita. Who was Lord Ram's father? King Dasharath. In which city was Lord Ram born? Ayodhya. How many brothers did Ram have? Three. Who was the monkey god who helped Ram? Hanuman. What was the name of the golden deer? Marisha in disguise. Who kidnapped Sita? Ravan. What was the name of Ravan's kingdom? Lanka. What did Sita drop to leave clues for Ram while being taken to Lanka? Her jewelry. What weapon did Ram use to kill Ravan? Brahmastra. Who was Lakshman's wife? Urmila. Who helped Ram cross the ocean to Lanka? Nala and Neela. Who is Sita's father? King Janaka. What is the name of Ravan's brother who joined Ram? Vibhishana. Who broke Shiva's vow to marry Sita? Ram. What did Ravan disguise himself as when he came to kidnap Sita? A mendicant. How many heads did Ravan have? 10. Who first spotted Sita in Lanka and delivered Ram's message? Hanuman. What did Sita prove through the Agni Pariksha, the fire test? Her purity. Who cursed Ravan that a monkey would destroy Lanka? Nandi. What was the name of Ravan's powerful son? Indrajit. Who was Ram's mother? Kaushalya. Who built the bridge to Lanka? Nala. What was the name of the forest where Ram spent most of his exile? Dandaka. Who gave Ram the bow and arrow to kill Ravan? Agastya. How long was Ram's exile? "14 years." Who killed Kumbhakarna? Ram. Who ruled Ayodhya when Ram was in exile? Bhrata. What did Hanuman carry to save Lakshman's life? The entire mountain. Now let's see how well do you know India. Click here to watch the India quiz. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.